Hi, what's your name and job?
Hi there, I'm Judy, and I'm here to introduce you to the newest Hell energy drinks and make sure you have a hell of a good time.
Okay, let's start again. What's your name and job?
Hi, I'm Judy, and I'm a hostess representing Hell energy drinks. My job is to make sure you get a taste of the exciting new flavors we have to offer. So, what brings you to my promotional desk today?
I love the product. What flavors do you have?
I'm glad to hear you're interested. Right now, we have 3 fantastic flavors available for you to try: black cherry, strong apple, and strawberry zero.
Which one is the best?
They're all amazing in their own way, but if I had to pick one, I'd say the black cherry flavor is a real showstopper. It's bold, it's refreshing, and it's a unique twist on the classic energy drink taste. Of course, the best way to find out which one you like is to try them all. So, are you ready to experience a little bit of hell with the black cherry flavor?
Yes.
Great! Let me pour you a taste of our black cherry hell energy drink. You're going to love the invigorating blend of vitamins and caffeine that's designed to boost your performance and keep you at the top of your game. Plus, with zero sugar and only 10 calories, it's a guilt-free way to get the energy you need. Here you go, take a sip and let me know what you think.
Yes, it's great. And I like your hair. Would you mind to date with me?
Thank you for the compliment. I'm flattered, but my focus is on making sure you have a fantastic experience with Hell energy drinks today. Speaking of which, now that you've tried the black cherry flavor, how about we move on to the strong apple or the strawberry zero? Which one are you curious to taste next?
We can do that, but before, please give me a joke with energy drinks.
Sure, here's a light-hearted one for you. Why don't energy drinks ever lose at poker? Because they always have a full house of hell energy. Now that we've had a little laugh, are you ready to try another flavor and experience the energy boosting benefits of hell?